Hello, my dear children. Welcome back. Your exams are coming close, so today we will quickly revise a very important chapter. Let's make sure you understand it perfectly. So, on the night of August 14th and 15th, 1947, India finally became independent. It was a moment our leaders called a tryst with destiny, a meeting with our fate, you know?
But, as Gandhiji so wisely said, this great joy was also mixed with great sadness. Why? Because our freedom came with partition.
So in this explainer, we're going to look at the three biggest challenges our new nation faced. Think of it like the three main sections in your textbook chapter. We'll cover the new problems, a divided nation, uniting the states, drawing new lines, and what turned out to be India's greatest strength.
Let's dive right into it. The moment we became independent, India immediately had to face three huge tests of its survival.
Now, this is a very common exam question, so please pay close attention to the answer on the next slide, okay?
Please remember these 3 points: unity, democracy, and development for all. First, how to keep our country united after partition and with so much diversity. Second, how to create a democracy for every single citizen. And third, how to make sure everyone's life gets better.
Now let's look at the first and the most painful challenge, the partition of India.
You see, the British divided India based on this two-nation theory. The Muslim League promoted this idea, but the Congress Party had always opposed it.
And the result? Well, the result was a human tragedy on a scale nobody had ever imagined. Just look at this heartbreaking picture. It's just terrible.
About 80 lakh people were forced to leave their homes and migrate across the new border. 80 lakh people.
And so tragically, it is estimated that somewhere between 5 to 10 lakh people were killed in the violence.
As this map shows, the division was also geographically very complex. It created West Pakistan and East Pakistan, with a huge part of India sitting right in the middle.
Okay, let's move on to the next big problem. How do you bring all the different pieces of India together? At the time of independence, there were 565 of these small and large kingdoms called princely states. And the British gave these states, you can see them here in blue, a choice. They could join India, join Pakistan, or become fully independent countries. Just imagine, this could have broken India into tiny little pieces.
This is where one of our greatest leaders, Sardar Patel, played a historic role. He was just the man for the job.
Through very firm and skillful negotiations, he convinced almost all the princely states to merge with India. He knew that if they didn't, it would be total chaos. So, with the princely states joining, the next challenge was to draw the internal boundaries of our country.
The big question was, how should we draw the map of India's states? What should be the basis?
Well, even before independence, our leaders had promised to create states based on the main language spoken in a region, and the people remembered that promise.
The story of Poti Srimulu's sacrifice for a separate Andhra state is such a powerful example of this demand. His death led to huge protests, and in 1952, the government finally agreed to create the state of Andhra for Telugu-speaking people.
And this slide illustrates the results so brilliantly. A states reorganization commission was set up, and the whole map of India was redrawn, this time based on language. Look at the difference. So, the crucial point is, what did we learn from solving these three massive challenges? What was the big takeaway? Our leaders realized something amazing. They realized that accepting our country's many languages and many cultures was not a threat at all. In fact, it was the secret to a strong, united, and democratic India. It made us stronger. And that's it for this quick revision. I want you to think about this final question. And please, all the best for your exams. I know you'll do great. I will see you in the next explainer.